know me. Take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet.
Hello everyone, my name is Sydney if you're new here. Now today's video is going to be an Easter and springtime decorate with me. I absolutely love to do decorate with me videos here on my channel, so if that interests you, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe if you aren't already. Now without further ado, let's jump into the decorate with me.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. Before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. So you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head. And I will taste every note, feel so good when you're in my head. And you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head. And I will taste every note, feel so good when you're in my head. And it's the road I figured and the curves I've been living, the flag I'm giving, a signal. Pick me up again. Come on, pick me up now. So you're the fire, you're the flare, my head, and I will taste every note. Feels so good when you're in my head. So I've been stuck forever, it seems like forever. I'm ready to fire the signal. Pick me up and say, come on, pick me up now.
Alright, so that wraps up my decorate with me for Easter and spring. I hope you guys found some inspiration from today's video. If you did, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on an upload from me. Thanks so much for watching and have a blessed day. This is Total Mom Life. I'm actually bouncing my baby on my knee as I do my intro and outro. It's okay, it's okay. Baby girl is sad. She was crying.